So yeah, I've shown you already how to cure the tenderloin pork. Now what we're gonna do now is put them in the fridge for 18 hours and then see you tomorrow. So we've taken out from the fridge past already the 18 hours that it's needed to be cured. Now the second phase is we have to do it outside by washing everything, the salt, all those things that we marinated last night. So before I forget, I want you to know that we'll be washing it with red wine. It could also be a beer or white wine, any of your choice, anything that you can find in your pantry. But make sure you wash it with a good red wine. I prefer it. So this is more or less how it's gonna look. This one is gonna be in the fridge for like 1 week. I'm gonna check it out for drying. And of course the curing session is still going on because we put a lot of herbs in there. And now what we're gonna do every now and then, maybe like every 2 days, we are going to check it out in the fridge, not by checking or opening it, but just by like turning it upside down again for 2 days and then turning the next 2 days after 2 days. Hi! I owe you an apology po kasi I said a while ago 1 week, diba? The aging. So actually it's 21 days. So 21 days, we'll be checking out together the meat. So, sorry. The reason why I'm so excited to share this with you, it's because it's my first time. So if I can do it, you can do it. Maybe you can do it better than me. But what I'm excited is on the 21st days, I'm going to check, we will check it together, you know, the outcome of the meat. I'm so excited to check how it's gonna look like or how it's gonna taste. So hopefully it's gonna taste good. So yeah, I'm just happy sharing it with you. And if you can share this video also to your friends, I would appreciate it. And as always, thank you for always watching, and I love you. Good, look at that. My salami, homemade salami. Perfect. Everything is perfect. Look at this. Ooh, lovely. I love it. Oh, it smells good. Everything was perfect. The curing, the fermentation of the meat, we did it good. We did it together. Everything was perfect. You can see the meat here, it's cured. So yeah, if I can make it, you can make it. Bon appetito. Bye till my next video.